Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing because SPSS sets its UI language at installation. There is no in-app toggle. Close SPSS and note the version and build so you get a matching installer or language pack. Once done, back up your workspaces, custom dictionaries, and preferences to avoid loss during reinstall. Make sure you have admin rights and the license key available. Without matching installer and license, the language change cannot be completed successfully. With backups ready, run the exact version SPSS installer or official language pack. The installer is the only supported method to change UI language. During setup, choose the desired language at the language selection screen and follow prompts to repair or reinstall components. Make sure to keep the same installation path to preserve existing license files and installed extensions. Once the installer finishes, allow any required post-install license authorization or service restarts so SPSS recognizes. Finally, launch SPSS and verify that menus, dialogues, and error messages appear in the chosen language. This confirms the reinstall or language pack applied correctly. If your preferences or customizations were reset, restore the backed up files and reapply settings. If the UI still shows the old language, make sure you use the installer for the exact same version and build, and then reinstall the correct language pack. Mismatched installers are the common failure, so matching version and admin privileges fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.